really exciting. Yesterday was really busy, hectic, and we did a lot of stuff. We walked. Oh yeah, right. We did a lot of stuff.
Yeah. At night, she went out. No, she went out shopping, and I was like, I don't want to shop. I have no energy. So we went to a bar and we chilled with like Korean aunties and uncles. We are going to we're doing a fancy yacht trip today, and then after that we're going on a submarine. Like, can you imagine?
Yes, so excited. And yeah, today is going to be really interesting. So let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Hello, Jin.
Hi.
High five. Hello everyone. Okay guys, so first stop, it's Play K-pop, and it's a museum and there are a lot of fun activities inside. We'll go inside and we'll show you what's there. Let's go! ये तो मैं हूँ, पाउट कर रही हूँ. Look at me dancing, guys. Next K-pop star Kritika Khurana featuring. नहीं, नाम चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Kiku. Oh, Kiku, yeah. बैठिए please. Thank you. Udit Narayan means K-pop. Okay, guys. So this is the Star Lounge. And we have some famous celebrities here, right here. Actually, we have their hands here. Imprints. I really love these. Let's try them. You like it? No? Yes? We don't know. Guys, I'm going to be on the screen, so I have to take a picture here before. Let's do it.
Yeah. Okay, look at the camera.
Yeah. Is it done?
Yeah. Done.
Yay! Guys, I'm going to be in a concert with G-Dragon. Let's do this. Whoa. So freaking cool. Oh wow.
Attending their concert.
Yeah.
That's what this is about. It's just that they are not actually on hologram, but that's
I loved it. I hope you guys saw that. I was on stage and I loved it so much, you guys. I never thought I could love it even more, but I'm surely coming back here. So much fun. I was blushing like a mad person there. Now we are going for Yacht tour, Shangri-La Yacht tour, but before that, wait, the lighting is very bad. But before that, I have to share my experience. If you are here, if you are in Jeju Island, even if you're not, please come down here and stay here for an entire day. It is so much fun, you guys. I've never seen K-pop music, but I was a fan. Once I saw it, I was a fan, and it's so much fun and it's so different. And I went on stage, so yeah, my heart is really happy right now. And I was dancing like a kid there on the stage with the with the heart, and I loved it so much. Please come down here and come with your friends, with your family. You're gonna have so much fun here. So Jin is filling all the documents for us right now, and after that we are going on a yacht. So excited. Okay guys, so I'm going on the upper deck and the view here is insane. You're gonna die. Just look at this. Okay guys, so I'll give you a yacht tour right now and say hi everyone. So we have a bedroom here. Yes guys, we have a bedroom here. So fancy shancy. Oh my god, if you wanna just chill here, cool. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a cute vanity fan. You can see from here. Wow. And then we have a washroom here, a basic washroom here. What else do we have here? Stairs go up, and then we have this living sort of area here. Okay guys, so our yacht tour is complete now. This is really amazing. Hope you enjoyed it with me too. And I'm going to do this for sure again in my life. Guys, we got done with the yacht tour and it was so amazing, as I told you guys. But I quickly want to tell you guys what's the price and how it's like. So we were there for 1 hour and it costed us around $60. That's how much? That's about 4,500 if I'm not wrong, but I think that's pretty great for one person. Obviously there was wine, there was champagne, there was a lot of stuff there, so you get a good use out of it. And now we're going back. We are going to have lunch right now, and today is a great day. Okay guys, so it's lunch time and we are having lunch at this Italian place. I'll ask the name of the place from Jin, and this is so cute. Jin, what's the name of the place?
His name is Kurang Mulang Pizza.
Kurang Mulang
Pizza.
Mulla Pizza.
Yeah, Kurang Mulang is a Jeju dialect.
Oh.
Yeah.
Amazing guys, and we're surely gonna come back. Yeah, thank you. Okay guys, we're going for submarine tour right now and we are actually going underwater guys. I'm so excited. As you guys can probably see, today has been really exciting so far and I'm loving it so much. Let's go. I just have to touch up. Hi. Bye. Oh, she's ready now. She's ready. Annyeong. I go. Come. Come. Okay guys, so it's our last and final day here and we are starting the day off with Innisfree Jeju House, and I don't know what to expect inside, but I'm really excited because it's going to be a relaxing experience and we'll get to know more about the products, what all ingredients do they use and stuff like that. These are the products that are only available here. They only have it here in Jeju House. Hi. She's the manager here. She handles Jeju House. Okay guys, so we are done with the soap making experience at Jeju House, Innisfree Jeju House, and I told her this is my cute soap that I'm taking back home. Let's keep this and go. Okay guys, so we are in Camellia Hill right now and I'm really excited about this place. I've seen the pictures online and camellia flower grows here during the winter season. Yes, and it's all pink. And we only have 1 hour to explore, so without any further ado, let's explore and I'll show you guys around. And the entry for one person is 8,000 won, which is almost what, 500 rupees. Different optical illusions here, and go inside, click pictures, and it'll give an illusion of a different setting and a different setup, and we are actually really enjoying here. Although we are really exhausted, right Bhavna? Yes. We are so exhausted, we need food in our system, but we'll get through this. So once you come here, it starts playing. Hello? Yes. Okay, bye. Will this play? Oh yeah. Yes sir, you're doing a great job. Keep going. Let's see what this is. Hello madam, I think you don't feel good. What happened? Oh, you're smiling now. Good. I feel like an idiot talking to myself. So bloody. Riddhiva, how was it?
Time to say bye.
We'll see you in Delhi. Bye. Bye, Jin. Bye.